Hello folks and welcome to the house 2. This is well, let's just read here. The legend has it that there is a house in a small town that has been closed and left empty for decades. The house belonged to a wealthy family, but then one day all family members, father, mother, daughter and the maid, committed suicide. From that time, the neighbors have closed the house for good, as they believe the house where all family committed suicide is cursed. Some say that they have heard a woman's screaming voice from that house, yet no one dare to enter the house. Are you ready to enter the house? This is the house 2, and it's a flash game, and I hope I'm recording now, because there will be spanking, otherwise we don't want that. Let's just enter. Jump scare in the beginning. Always a jump scare in the beginning. Oh? Okay. Let's go in. Hello? It's locked. Let me in. Okay, what? Don't let me in. There's smoke on the door. Open the door! I'm the police! What? Oh, I was just gonna... Okay. You are now inside the house. Well, thank you very much. Can I not stay here? The living room. Okay. A note. September 9, 1964. I can feel something strange in this house. I actually feel it since the first day I came to work here as a nursemaid. I am so afraid of that thing. Should I quit? Yes, you should go home. I don't even know what that thing is. Oh. Well, they weren't creepy at all. Not at all. Yeah, shut off the light. That's a good idea. That's a brilliant idea. I'm just checking stuff. Okay. Doesn't seem like there's anything else in here. I can click that, nothing happens. Don't stab. What? Oh, okay. Shit. What? I'm gonna continue clicking on stuff. What? Okay. Let's keep on clicking on the stuff that... Oh, there's blood. Where's the blood? There. No scary stuff yet, though. Oh, that's good. Okay, keep on clicking. Clicking on all this stuff. What you gonna... Am I afraid of the dark? I'm mostly afraid of things in the dark, but okay. Okay. Why'd you drop something, lady? That wasn't that scary. What? Daughter's year of birth. I don't know. Sometimes she talked alone, sometimes she laughed at night, and sometimes she called somebody. There's another note. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're a lovely couple. Okay. She's not. What? She's not what? She's not what? Okay, yes. Ah, hello. Yeah, okay. Yes, now I'm afraid of the dark. Okay, there's different steps. Okay, I have to click everything. I get it now. Boo! Oh, okay. Boo! Who goes into the bathroom and just opens and closes until something happens? But okay, sure. Right. Flush the toilet. Until it takes stop! Okay. What? Holy Bible. I want to read the Bible now. Can't, okay? Boo! Boo! Okay. Where else is there to click on? Boo! I want to turn off the shower, it's annoying. Is there nothing else I can click on? Oh wait, here. Come in. Or please don't. I was gonna. No, something's gonna happen in there. I know it. I'm not a fool. Okay, again. Okay. Let's annoy them a little bit more. This is a game where you should be annoying. Like, who does that? Go into the bathroom like, let's do everything. Let's do that. Yeah, you get annoyed by me now, huh, Ghost? Coming here, running your toilet. Boo! Okay, what? This doesn't make no sense. I can't even know. Oh, okay, hello. Okay. Friendly people. We have to click him in a certain order for stuff to happen. Blood! Oh god. Stop! No! No, stop it! There's blood everywhere now. I have to clean it up. I'm truly sorry for what I have done to our kid. Please forgive me. No! I will not forgive you for this. You're a son of a bitch for this. Boo! Oh, okay, yeah. I know something's gonna happen in there. I know there's a body in here. Where did you come from? Who are you? Okay. Yeah. Hello? Ah, they're gone. What? The game doesn't make no sense at all. But okay. Forgive me. No! I said no! I will not forgive you! Oh, Mr. Policeman, don't kill me. Okay, dark everywhere, bedroom. The bedroom. Kids, fuck me, right? What is that? Something you like wind up. Are we playing Russian roulette? I don't want to do this. I'm gonna press the teddy until something happens. I'm poking your teddy, kid. I'm poking your teddy. Okay. No. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this on the wall? What's this on the wall? I wanna click it. I wanna click it. I want to something happen. I wanna click it to something happen. What's it happening? Come on, have it. I feel it. All is bright. Shut the fuck up because the ghost will arrive and everything will die. You will kill me, surely. Oh, she's adopted. Nicole A. Matty was officially adopted on December 24th. During Christmas. Woodland Orphanage. Well, she looked freaky enough, so approved. No, I don't approve of this. What? Okay. It's kind of predictable. Something's gonna happen with that. She's gonna gulag, and you know. But okay. Do something. God damn it. I'm gonna super wind it. Super fast, super fast, super fast. Come on. Nothing has clicked. Do something, god damn it. What? What's this? Notes. I didn't see them before. She comes every night. She loves playing hide and seek. She's really good in hiding. I never find her. Oh, okay, yes, don't do that. Goddamn kid. Play with me. No, I will certainly not play with you. I'm gonna go home now. Can I watch this? Oh, it's us and Samara from The Ring. How lovely. Wait, wasn't she Wait. Were it two little girls? Like one adopted and one... Oh. Okay. No. Okay, stop. God damn it! Jesus Christ! Fuck! Okay. Thank you so much for watching the video, folks. Please be sure to like and favorite the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and become a crew member today. Tell your friends about my channel if you think they'll enjoy it. Stay tuned for more videos and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!